New here at 11 o'clock, a safe environment is, of course, key to staying healthy. And for the heroes who serve and protect us during this crisis, it's especially true. That's why a local disinfecting service spent the morning sanitizing patrol cars at the Mokena Police Department. NBC5's Sandra Torres is live now with a look at that work. Sandra.
Well, Alex, the company that's behind all these efforts is J&J Creative Colors, and they're based out of Mokena. So this is their way of giving back to the local police department in the midst of the pandemic. And of course, they picked the Mokena Police Department specifically for this, and this is what they did this morning. So you're looking there as crews sanitized the police squad cars this morning, all 17 of them, using an antimicrobial substance first before applying the disinfectant solution. And they focused a lot on like the high touch areas, such as the steering wheels, the door handles, and the back seat, which is at risk of infection when officers have to transport individuals. Officers in the Mokena Police Department still share vehicles during the day, even during the pandemic. So this free service is very welcome.
At the beginning of every shift, our officers wipe the entire passenger area down, and at the end, they do it also. We have 3 different shifts a day, so there are numerous officers in there, not counting the transports we have in the back seat. So having them deep cleaned is a huge help.
It's awesome. Like I said, these guys are out and about every day, guys and girls, and you know, just, hey, we got a way to help you out. We're really good at what we do at this, and let's get it done.
And that's Gary Foster, who owns the company, along with his 2 sisters. They were all here this morning helping sanitize the squad cars. It was definitely a family affair. Their parents started the company about 40 years ago, and they tell me they focus on repairing basically plastic and leather. They really don't focus on sanitizing, but this is what they're doing now to keep their business alive, and of course what they're doing now to give back to their local police department. Reporting live in Mokena, Sandra Torres, NBC5 News.
Certainly is a need. Thanks so much, Sandra.